stop the stealing and start the keeping.
Travel through the world because we need not to kill the rise of the man. When the country
the church is in your hand. Get your PVC and let the march to the church.
Hello? So, in a by I don't know you can. This is Electrical Dealers Association of Nigeria. Make sure PVC, the officers of the market are doing everything possible to make sure before you enter inside market that you are with your PVC. This time around, the market have taken it upon themselves to make sure that things goes as it was planned. You can see it by yourself. You can see it by yourself. Electrical Dealers Association of Nigeria. They are doing the work as it was planned. Enter markets with your PVC. Yes. EDN at Alaba International Market. You can see the PRO of the market there, making sure that everything that is going well as it's supposed to be. These ones inside the market here is the people that already they are with their PVC already. That is the ones you are seeing inside here.
So Nigerians should vote for whoever they like from whichever party. Nobody will be allowed to mobilize resources and thugs to intimidate people in any constituency. That's what I want to go down into Nigerian history for.
DJ TV.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.